Snack time. Let's eat cake. Wow, so yummy. With a cup of coffee. Thank you, boss. Yan. Kasi may bisita kami. Guys, oh, ito, binigyan din ako ng cake ni Bossing. Wow, napakasarap. Mm. Oh, ang sarap, guys. Mm. Mm. Thank you, boss. Dami ang trabaho ko, guys. Busy ako, guys. Cake pa mura. Ay, parating na naman na bisita, guys. Dami naman yan, guys. Ang sarap. Mm. Okay. Yummy cake.